A lot of the music in this show is about water. In the world around us, water makes all different sounds that you might not even think about. It can be wave sounds or bubbling, gurgling sounds like when water goes down the sink. It can be rainy sounds or thundery storm sounds with really heavy rain. We're going to have a play with water now. We've got some containers of water here. And we're going to listen really carefully to see how these sounds sound different to each other and what kinds of sounds we can make. I've got a water bottle here, which I can just shake, makes a splashy sound. And I've got this coffee plunger, and I think when I plunge it, it sounds a bit like a pump. Kind of gurgly noises as the bubbles burst and the plunger goes down to the bottom. Bridget, what sort of sounds have you got over there?
Well, I'm going to try and see how an empty bowl will sound when I tip a full jug of water into it. I'm going to see what happens. Wow, I feel like there was lots of different sounds happening as it was coming out. It was a little bit loud, and then it was fast, and it was a bit gulpy, like a gulp, gulp, gulp. And then it got a bit faster.
I thought it sounded a lot faster, especially as the bottle became emptier and emptier and you lifted it up, didn't you?
Yeah.
Instead of the water rushed out into the bowl. Interesting.
Yeah. I've also got a really big bowl of water, and I'm just going to use my hands and see if I can make different sounds by using my hands in different ways. Whoa. There were so many sounds happening again. There was sort of, I like the two hands swapping. It reminds me of like a pond or like a stream of like running water. That was really calming.
And you did a little sprinkle at the end, didn't you, with your fingers as you pushed the sprinkles back into the water. Yeah.
Like the spray.
Beautiful. Like Ryuji, what do you have?
Oh, I have a cup. I'm going to put the cup on the surface of the water. Oh, it's very
I like that.
interesting.
I like that.
It sounds a little bit muffled.
It's almost like percussion, isn't it? It's almost like when you play the taiko, it sounds a bit percussive.
Oh, it's interesting. Can I try the big one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why don't you?
Yeah, it sounds a little bit different.
It sounds different. Does it sound higher or deeper or something?
Yeah, it's a little bit more deeper.
It's deeper. Yeah.
And if I push the cup to the bottom and then we can make a funny sound as well. It's very interesting. And I have straw.
Yep.
And I'm going to put air in the water. Very cute sound.
Very cute sound. It reminds me of fish talking underwater or something.
Yeah. It's very interesting.
Love that.
Yeah.
And you've got a spoon there too. What's that for?
This is for like hit the ball
Oh, okay.
and then Bridget like it's gonna move the water.
Okay.
So the sound is a bit different.
Yeah. As the water, I'm tipping the water from side to side.
Yeah.
It changes depending how much water is on the side.
Oh, that's really clever. I love that
That's
one.
amazing.
Yeah, wow. So many interesting sounds, and just with containers of water. You could have a go at making sounds like this. Listen carefully and see what kinds of different sounds you can make just using water and containers and your fingers or a straw or a few cups. Have a go.